In the next few clips, we're going to show you some of the key features for portfolio. In this one, we're going to use the example portfolio to start. So click into the example portfolio. First thing you see here is the navigation icon. Click onto that, you will see a drop-down menu that has all the features inside portfolio. Click onto any one of them and you will be led to that particular section. Let's start with the first feature we call performance. Similar to the performance feature inside of stock and a fund detail page, what we have here is for the entire portfolio. How we calculate the performance here is by using the weighted average approach of all the holdings you have in the portfolio, adjusted by their weights, and we end up with the performance numbers both for your portfolio as well as in comparison the S&P 500 ETF as well as the MSCI World ETF. And those last two are carried over from what you see inside the stock and the fund detail page. So first of all, what's inside this example portfolio? We have pre-made 5 stocks and 5 funds. Each one has 10% of the weights, so 10 securities in total, adding up to 100% of the portfolio weight. And all of these stocks and funds are pretty popular and household names, such as Apple, Visa, Adidas, Diageo, and LVMH. And for the ETFs, they cover some of the popular indices, such as MSCI World, MSCI EM, S&P 500, FTSE 100, and Developed Europe ex-UK. So you can see the detailed holdings in this example portfolio by tapping into the navigation icon and go to your holdings part. The weighted average approach for the entire portfolio is just looking at these different securities performances and do the weighted average approach for each one of them. And this weighted average approach is going to be something we use consistently across all the other calculations for the portfolio, such as rankings and raw data. And at the same time, we show you the detailed breakdowns of each of the performances for stocks and funds and their different weights. Simply click into the portfolio link here. Also at the same time, to increase the chance of you using this link approach more and more, we also have the pop-up here that guides you what does this link mean. So to sum up, this portfolio section is quite a handy approach, as you've just seen in the stocks and the funds. It just tells you how well and badly your portfolio has been doing over different time frames and how does that compare against the 2 popular indices. And by clicking into that, you will see what is contributing positively and what is dragging down performances by each of the securities you hold. And next, we'll talk about the breakdown section right below that.